Bojo, are you that? Hello, how are you doing this morning? No, it's not Bojo Bantan. It's me, Jacob, your mother's no companion. Compan Me, I am mother, no man. Oh, so what that you are eat? I am intaking veggie chunks. Do you want some? It's good for your soul. It smell, sir? Or you smell, sir? You listen here. Look like you need some discipline. And look like you need to discipline some soap and water and go bathe. Hey, liquor boy, don't let me lick you. Why for your lick argument, Bujo? Why for that? Me no tell you, say me no name Bujo a Jacob. Watch what me I gonna do to you. What you gonna do to him? Mavis, he need some discipline. Discipline him, and I gonna discipline you. Yes, no. Spanish town. Mummy, I gonna beat you with it. Junior, stop it. And Jacob, me tell you not to cook no veggie chunks in here. You stink up the whole place. But Mavis, what me I gonna eat? You not do enough eating last night. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! What? You really are gonna talk to Rasta, sir? And in front of you too? Me can't believe you gonna say that in front of your youth. And me can't believe say you are ball in front of me youth. And I just a little joke me around Jacob. Just a little joke. Mummy, what's the joke? Come Junior, come go a shop for me. Mommy! Me say come go a shop.